Hi guys, welcome to band. We're gonna continue practicing back jump. So starting from measure 33 to 64, we have the same rhythmic pattern. But in the last two measures, we're gonna open the hi-hat progressively. Here an example. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. From measure 65 to measure 68, we have flam rudiment. Here's an example. 1, 2, 1, 2, 65. 2, 3, 4. So in measure 69 and 70, we have a solo part. That consists of basically doing the same rhythmic pattern in measure 69, and in measure 70, we're gonna play some fills. Let's see the example. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, in measure 70, you will find del signo al coda. That means that you have to return to measure 33. Then, when you reach the coda, you jump to measure 71 and continue playing. From measure 79 until measure 82, you're gonna play the same rhythmic pattern, but you're gonna increase the dynamics progressively. And for finishing the song, from measure 83 until the end, measure 86, we have this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's basically a strong groove with your hi-hat open and with a fill just in the snare, finishing in the floor tom.